So what happened? The titles are repeated. Means I do not need to worry about which kind of column is what exactly want. So it will be a repeated. Okay. Now let me go to the back. Suppose I want to change a width and height. I want to compress that data into my format. So we have the another option also. Let me select it all things. Enough. Okay. Now you can see over here option scale to fit. Scale to fit means I can set my scale. For when I am setting my scale, I need to put a width and height into automatic format. Okay, let me show you. Suppose I am doing increasing this one, you can see it will be my data going outside. See, but when I am doing a smaller size, it will be put it inside of my page. So this is we can even set our page via like that. Okay. So this is all about how we can set our page like in margin, in orientation, in size, print area, break, background is not that much of useful. And the last one is print title. Even the this one is scale to the fit. So this is these options we can helpful to present my data inside of my pages. Okay. Now let's understand sheet option. Sheet options, what are the useful? Okay, let me go to the normal mode. Okay, so this is data I have. Okay, let me do undo. I don't want full data. Okay, let me apply over here. Hmm. A not applied. Let me select it again. Going over here, apply. Why it's not applied? Okay, I'll see you after later. Okay. You can see over here what happened. I can see the grid lines, right? Means Excel sheet always are showing me grid lines. Suppose I want to see, I don't want to see, I want to apply that grid line same as it is in print, I can do that. See, first we have the option grid line. Suppose I don't want to see grid line, just click over here. You can see I cannot able to see the grid line, but still the cells are there. Okay, only the what happened, I'm just removing that the particular grid. Just click on grid, you can see easily, you can again see that the grid line. Now suppose I want to see the grid line into the printing statement also. Means when I'm doing printing, that time I want to see the grid line also. So how we can see that? Suppose right now I'm going to the printing over here, you can see I'm not saw that any grid line. Okay, so how we can apply that? Just click on print, it will be applied to grid line. Let me select it to all, so so it can see. Select print area. Okay, let's check the print. In print also we can see the lines. See, the lines are there. So there is a way. If suppose sometime I want that lines, I want to see that. If suppose I don't want, so we can remove also that. Is depend upon to you. Now again the heading. Suppose I don't want to see the heading in over here in view section, means where I am editing. So I just clicking over here, I don't want heading. See, the heading is gone. The ABCD after 1 2 3 is not showing. If suppose I want, just click over here, it will be again come back. Now suppose I want ABCD into the print also. Means what, previously when I am going to the print, there is no any ABCD, but I want. So let me show you. I don't want in print section lines. I want ABCD. Let me select it and just go to the file. You can see the ABCD is there, but right now not the grid line. So this is the way we can do that. Even which we want, we can do that. Now the last option, we have the arrangement. If suppose this is kind of stupid option they gave us, but we have. Suppose let me show you how exactly the arrange is work. Going to the insert, let me, okay, going to the insert, let me take a shape. Suppose I'm taking two shape. First one is this, and let me take a second one. In insert shape, this one, another. Okay, two shape I taken. Okay, after that, suppose I want to move into backward and I want to move into forward, we can do that. See, go to the page layout. See, bring. Right now it's my forward. Okay, I want to send a backward. See, it's I went backward. If suppose I want to again want a forward, see click over here, it will be a forward. And after that, I want to select that. See, there is a select option. I can select at both time. I want into group. I can put it into a group. So when I'm putting into the group, I can move together this shape. And if suppose I want to rotate it, that I can rotate also. This is all about the page layout tab. Okay, let me stop the video.